Alright, so listen to this. I got these AirPods last Christmas and I love them. I put a silicone black case over it and everything, and even stickers over the actual heads, which is pretty cool. Protects it. So I went ahead and I was using my laptop with it like I always do. I paired them with the Bluetooth and I was using Adobe Premiere Pro in it, and all of a sudden my AirPods started to freak out. I don't know how to describe this, but they kind of imploded on themselves. Like at first I thought that they broke or that something wrong was happening to them. But then I did a little more research and found this simple little solution. It's so stupidly simple that even a caveman can do it. I'm not stealing any slogans here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my AirPods in, right? Okay. And then we're gonna go onto Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go. Come here. Okay, so I'm on my screen right now, and let me just open up my system preferences and show you how to connect to your Apple AirPods. You probably should if you own them already, but I'm just gonna show you real quick anyway. So you'll go to Bluetooth right here. This is of course if you're a Mac user, and then you'll click on Mickey's AirPods. If it doesn't say Mickey's AirPods, then there's something wrong with your screen. Okay, and so I'm connected right now, all right? You can hear the little ding in your AirPods, and then you're connected. You have to, of course, be connected to it to use them. So then we're gonna open up Adobe Premiere Pro right here, and right now I just have a little preview of the video that I'm working on, a review. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this button right now.
And then plug it in the side right here where it says mic. For the on switch button, there are two settings.
And the audio is coming from the inbuilt speaker from the computer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to Premiere Pro CC here and go to Preferences, then go to Audio Hardware. Okay, so this screen is gonna pop up here, and the default input is the built-in microphone for the computer. The default output right here is actually what you want to do. So you click on here and click on Mickey's AirPods. Again, if it doesn't say Mickey's AirPods on your computer, then you're stupid. Alright, so device changes can modify channel mappings, adjustability, blah, blah, blah. So that's just warning you that your device is about to change your output. So you click yes on that. And so after that, it is actually going to show me that it's going to be working in my AirPods right now. So once I click play, you can't hear it right now, but I can. So there's no way really that I can prove to you that I can hear it in my AirPods, but I can. And the quality sounds pretty good too. But again, the first time I tried this, the system wasn't really working, and I had to figure out a way to... I had to go online and search this little problem. But I hope that helps, guys. If that helps you at all, just leave a like and subscribe down there, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.